Starting in iOS 16, your hidden album in Photos is locked by default. Here's how to view your hidden photos and change your settings. You can view your hidden album in the Photos app. Just make sure you're in the Albums tab at the bottom of your screen. Then scroll down and tap your hidden album, which is in the Utilities section, to open it. Use Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode to authenticate, and your hidden photos will appear. You can change how you access your hidden album at any time. In Settings, scroll down and tap Photos. You can tap the switch next to Use Face ID to lock or unlock your hidden album. This might say Use Touch ID or Use Passcode, depending on your iPhone model. When the switch is on, the album is locked. And that's how you can view your locked hidden album in Photos on your iPhone. For more helpful tips, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel.